Gujarat state government has initiated Heli services at world's tallest Statue of Unity. 10 minutes aerial view of the statue. The helicopter ride allows the visitors to get an aerial view of the Statue of Unity and the Sardar Sarovar Dam, which is in the vicinity. From up above, the helicopter ride also shows the Narmada River and the Satpura and Vindhya hills flanking it in all their glory. The statue will stand high, not just in meters and feet, but much more in terms of academic, historical, national and spiritual values. My vision is to develop the place as a source of inspiration for ages to come. Shri Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister of India.